Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to join group online. So first of all, launch up online application on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to join the group, you need the invitation. So what you have to do is simply find the invitation sent to you via the chat. For that, tap on the chats option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you'll be led to the chats interface. Right now I do not have any chats, but what you can do is simply tap on the chat where you've received the invitation and tap on the join option. After you do that, you'll be able to join that particular group. But sometimes you might also be able to receive the invitation link via other applications and platforms. So you can simply go to that particular platform, tap on that particular invitation link and tap on the option join. After you do that too, you'll be able to join the line group. Likewise, you can also scan the QR code of the group. For that, what you have to do is look into the search bar. Over here, you can see the QR scanner icon. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, what you have to do is scan the QR code of the group. For that, place the scanner in front of that particular QR code. Or if you have the screenshot of the QR code, you can also tap on this icon. After that, you'll be able to upload the photo of the QR code. After you do that too, you'll be able to join the group. So like this, you'll be able to join the Line group. So that is how you join group in Line app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.